In this series of videos, we're going to take a look at the settings you'll need to configure your business's WordPress site. Now, our purpose at WordPressForBusiness.org is to keep things simple. So we're going to skip over a number of settings and focus just on the ones that are important to getting your business's WordPress site up and running smoothly. So here we are in the dashboard for WordPress, which is a page you'll see when you first log into your site's administrative area. To access these settings, you'll navigate down these tabs on the left-hand side of the screen here, all the way down to the Settings tab. Then just click the arrow to expand the Settings tab. The settings are divided over a few different pages, and in this video, we'll take a look at the options on the General Settings page. To view the General Settings page, just click on the General link under the Settings tab. On this page, it's really the first 5 settings that are the ones you should concern yourself with. The first 2 settings are blog title and tagline. Now, don't let the blog and blog title throw you. It's really just the main title for your website, whether you have a blog on it or not. These 2 fields will appear in the header at the top of your website. I'll just jump over to the site for a moment to show you. So here at the top in the header you see Awesome Landscaping, which is the blog title for this site, and Lawn Care, Tree Trimming, and More in St. Louis, Missouri, which is the tagline for this site. Also, take a look up here in the title bar for the browser that I'm using, which in this case is Netscape. Notice how both the blog title and the tagline appear up here. The text up here is known as the title tag for your site, and this will also appear in the title of your listing on Google and the other search engines. The search engines use title tags to help determine what keywords a website should rank for and where in the rankings the site should be placed. With that in mind, you'll want to try to use the main keyword you want to rank for in your blog title and/or tagline fields. Okay, let's hop back over to the General Settings page. The next 2 fields are the WordPress address and the blog address fields. The WordPress address is the URL of the directory where your core WordPress application files are located. The blog address is the URL you want people to type into their browser to view your website. Now, these don't necessarily have to be the same, but in most cases, and certainly for our purposes here, these 2 fields are going to be the same, and they will both be the main URL for your website. The next field is an important one, the email address. This is the email address that WordPress will use to send you messages related to the administration of your site. For example, if you were to forget your password, you could have your site send you a new password, and that will go to this email address. Or if you are blogging and allow people to comment as long as an administrator approves the comments, a notification will be sent to this email address letting you know whenever there's a comment waiting for approval. As for the rest of the settings on this page, in the interest of keeping things simple, just forget about them. They basically deal with time and date formatting, which you can set if you want, and if you don't, that's fine too. If you make any changes to your general settings page, be sure to go to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button. So that's it for the general settings page. In the next video, we're going to take a look at the important options on the writing settings page. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out WordPressForBusiness.org for more tips, strategies, and training videos.